W.P. Brown and Sons Lumber Company. In February of 1937, W.P. Brown and Sons Lumber Company signed a contract with Alabama Power for an estimated 20 million feet of saw timber. The south end of Brown's property, located 1,000 feet back of this marker and extended northward 3/4 miles. Brown Lumber Company employed 1,706 people in its 12 years of operation at Blanche. The Tag Railroad, which ran alongside the sawmill, played a very important role in transporting the lumber to market. This sign is located at the crossing of Highway 35 and Cherokee County 15, or US 273 in Blanche.